Good Morning America halted for urgent breaking news as disease outbreak confirmed. Good Morning America came to a standstill as host Elizabeth Schulze announced that cases linked to the Cyclospora outbreak continue to rise across the pond. Cyclospora is a food-borne microscopic parasite that can contaminate fresh produce and cause gastrointestinal illness lasting days, sometimes weeks. Michigan, the center of the outbreak, reported over 400 new cases of the illness on Tuesday, July 21, bringing the total to 6,571 since June 21. Other states in the Midwest and Northeast have also reported hundreds of cases as authorities struggle to identify the source of the outbreak.
Tired of messy watermelon prep? The crisp taste 2-in-1 watermelon cutter slices neat cubes quickly, then switches to a retractable fork for easy serving with less mess. Want to check today's Amazon deal? Scan the QR code now or visit grabdeal.us/3 before it's gone.
On Wednesday, July 22, the broadcaster brought her afternoon show to a standstill as she announced HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. had broken his silence about the outbreak. Cases linked to the Cyclospora outbreak continue to rise across the U.S., as HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. says the outbreak is under control and that he's confident officials have located the source. At Eschels reports, pic.twitter.com/ys1z689zgo. Kennedy Jr.'s first public comments on the cyclosporiasis outbreak, telling me that it is under control, a source has been identified and a recall is in place. Kennedy insisted, "We do have the outbreak under control. We have an extensive forensics and epidemiological forensics, and we've identified the source of the outbreak. We and the companies that are involved have implemented a recall." The show then cut to a clip of the politician addressing her questions in an auditorium full of reporters. The presenter went on to reveal that the source of the outbreak appears to have come from a shipment of iceberg lettuce, some of which has been used in various Taco Bell restaurants. She added, "We know that the FDA's link in the outbreak that's made at least 16 people sick in 5 states to Taylor Farms iceberg lettuce. They say that the lettuce came from an independent farm in central Mexico and was ultimately sold at some Taco Bell locations." Following the latest update, Mexico's health secretary has released a statement addressing the new concerns. In a statement, he penned, "So far, no evidence has been found indicating that the facility is the source. However, we are taking every precaution in the event that it is." Meanwhile, health officials are still investigating other potential sources of the parasite across the country. It didn't take long for viewers to flock to X, formerly known as Twitter, to share their concerns online. One user penned, "No more greens from Mexico," as another agreed. When public health messaging clashes with rising case counts on the ground,